Now, the tourism sector has received a major boost following the arrival of 300 tourists from India. Kenya Tourism Board termed the visit as a strong endorsement of the country's resilience to the impact of the pandemic, as well as a first step toward restoring the confidence of Indian travelers in the destination. Details of these and other stories from the corporate scene.
Kenya had in 2021 imposed restrictions on travelers from India after the country was worst hit by the COVID-19 Delta variant. However, travel restrictions were lifted after a decline in the spread amid intense vaccination drives.
But many more destinations also have incentive travelers looking for destinations such as Kenya to come and enjoy. And as we look forward to tourism recovery, there's a lot more in terms of segments that KTB and Kenya in general can look into in terms of diversifying our markets.
While receiving the first group of travelers at the Nairobi National Park, Kenya Tourism Board termed the visit as a strong endorsement of the country's resilience to the impact of the pandemic, as well as a first step towards restoring the confidence of Indian travelers to the destination.
There are new ways of doing things, and the new ways would continue to emerge. And we need to have that culture of taking those new into applications locally here.
Meanwhile, UK Kenya Tech Hub and digital innovation firm Hala have launched an exchange program to bolster partnerships between corporates and startups in Kenya to create market-responsive products. The pilot phase of the program is being conducted in Nairobi for a period of 3 months. Finally, maize and sorghum farmers in Busia County are staring at low yields and massive losses over the invasion of striga weed in their farms.
Tunaopanda tu sorghum, mawele, alafu pia upande mahindi, kabla hata ianze kutoa kichwa unapata kwamba imeathirika kabisa. Na kayongo huwa inaanzia ni kama mizizi yake iko chini sana. Na wakati mahindi inaposonga haiwezi kuonekana, lakini mahindi ikisonga karibu futi karibu 2 hivi 3 hivi, basi ndio unaanza kuona matokeo. Maana hata kama umeweka mbolea kiasi gani au aina gani ambazo ziko ambazo tunatumia, mara nyingi utapata kwamba hii weed kayongo inaharibu kabisa.
Alex Mukana, a farmer in Nambale, disclosed that initially he used to harvest 15 bags of maize, but since the weed invaded his farm, the harvest has drastically dropped to below 5 bags, despite using farmyard manure and other fertilizers.
Na mtu kwa eka moja unaweza amepata gunia moja, ambayo ni hasara sana kwetu sisi wakulima, na tunaumia, na ni ombi ya kwamba kama kuna yeyote ule ambaye angeweza kutusaidia kama wakulima tunufaika katika mambo ya ukulima, tutashukuru sana.
They are appealing to the government to provide them with pesticides and avert the looming crisis. Regina Manya reporting for Prime Edition.